Wheat is a poultry crop introduced to China about 4,000 years ago. It is China's second staple food. Planting area is 340 million mu. Yield per mu 800 to 1,100 jin. China's wheat planting regions are mainly distributed in Henan, Hebei, Shanxi, Inner Mongolia, and other areas. Wheat is autumn sowing, summer harvesting crop. During growth process, suffers from many harmful organism damages, among which weed damage is great. Wheat weeds compete with wheat for nutrients, water, light, and space resources. Their damage mainly manifests in the following aspects: harming wheat growth and development, increasing pests and diseases like wheat aphids, powdery mildew, rust occurrence probability, reducing wheat quality, increasing production costs. Wheat species in China's wheat fields are also quite numerous, over 40 families and 100 species, among which over 30 species pose serious threats to wheat growth. Nationwide wheat field weed damage area reaches over 30%. Main wheat field weeds can be divided into Poaceae weeds and broadleaf weeds. Two major categories. Main wheat field. Poaceae weeds include Japanese foxtail, shorthorn foxtail, brome, jointed goatgrass, wild oat, annual bluegrass, etc. Main wheat field broadleaf weeds include chickweed, catchweed, bedstraw, flicksweed, shepherd's purse, garden spurge, speedwell, corn gromwell, bladder campion, herb robert, hemistepsia, gosselin, redwood pigweed, etc. Characteristics of wheat and wheat herbicides. Wheat seed usage is large. Heterosis utilization has always been a worldwide problem. Wheat as a densely planted crop has difficulty with mechanical weeding. Chemical weeding has high work efficiency, low cost, reduces labor intensity, so is very popular with farmers. But improper herbicide use can also result in poor weeding effectiveness, current crop and subsequent crop phytotoxicity, and residual pollution problem. Wheat weed control requires comprehensive measures, combining agricultural, physical, chemical, and ecological means, specifically as follows. Agricultural measures. 1. Select seeds carefully. Quarantine wheat seed imports and exports. Check whether they contain weed seeds, especially darnel, jointed goatgrass, wild oat, etc., to reduce long-distance weed dispersal. On 2. Improve land preparation quality. Promote wheat seedlings complete, strong, uniform, improving wheat's competitiveness against weeds. 3. Reasonable dense planting, appropriately increase sowing quantity, increase wheat seedling ground coverage rate, reduce weed growth space, reduce weed growth numbers. 4. Adopt corn straw mulch, rice straw mulch, and other measures, effectively reducing weed emergence numbers. 5. Apply decomposed manure. Farmyard manure must be fully decomposed to eliminate weed seeds within. 6. Crop rotation. Implement wheat rapeseed, wheat vegetable rotation, can effectively reduce accompanying weed damage. Physical measures. 1. Ploughing or rotary tillage for land preparation. Before wheat sowing, through ploughing or rotary tillage, eliminate weeds already emerged in fields. Clean and filter irrigation water sources, blocking input of weed seeds from outside fields. Deep plough soil once every 3 years, depth around 30 centimeters, effectively suppressing weed base. 2. Mower weeding. Before wheat sowing, use micromower to cut all weeds in fields, field corners, nearby ditches, nearby water weirs, etc., and conduct centralized deep burial or burning treatment, eliminating weed seed source. 3. Manual weeding. Round beginning of winter or at week 2, leaf 1, heart stage, adopt manual methods to remove all field weeds. This weeding method is easy for farmers to operate, labor and effort saving. Minimal wheat damage, control effectiveness is very good. Chemical measures. 1. Soil pre-emergence treatment. Water dryland rotation, wheat fields. Post-sowing pre-emergence. Select isoproteron, flufenacet, pretilarcolor, diflufenicin, and other herbicides and their compound formulations for soil pre-emergence treatments. Dryland rotation, wheat fields, when soil moisture is good. Post-sowing pre-emergence, select pyroxasulfone, diflufenicin, flufenacet, and other herbicides and their compound formulations for soil pre-emergence treatment. 2. Foliar spray treatment. Poaceae weeds. For wheat fields dominated by Japanese foxtail, select panoxidin, clodnafop, propargal, phenoxaprop, PFL, and other herbicides for control. For wheat fields dominated by brome, select flucarbazole sodium, pyroxylum, and other herbicides for control. For wheat fields dominated by jointed goatgrass, select mesosulfuron methyl for control. Jointed goat grass needs manual removal before heading. Broadleaf weeds. For wheat fields dominated by chickweed and catchweed bedstraw, select fluroxypyr, carfentrazone, ethyl, and other active ingredient herbicides for control. For wheat fields dominated by flaxweed and shepherd's purse, select fluorosulam 2,4-D isoctyl ester, MCPA, sodium, and other active ingredient herbicides for control. Precautions. 1. Timely herbicide application. Wheat chemical weeding time is divided into 2 stages. First time is late November of previous year to early December after wheat 2-leaf 1 heart stage. Second time is March of following year before wheat jointing 2. Precision application. Select well-performing spray equipment. Use fan-shaped nozzles. Avoid due to spray equipment running, leaking, dripping, seeping, causing herbicide waste and local phytotoxicity. According to spray equipment type used, reasonably set water dilution quantity, ensuring uniform spraying, no overlapping spray, no mist spray. 3. Avoid mesosulfuron methyl phytotoxicity on strong gluten wheat and premium wheat. Strictly prohibit using mesosulfuron methyl and its compound formulations, and cannot be mixed with 2,4-D to avoid phytotoxicity.